a cost to me or it's a brand to me. When you are talking of branding and IP, the taxation component is a very important of branding of IP. And the single most example, I won't take much time, is Vodafone. Whether, I am not looking at whether the product is sold or not. Whether it is 40,000 crores or 30,000 crores, if it is really taxable in India. And I must request you to include this aspect also, so that the government of India becomes a partner in IP transfer to 30%. Thank you.
Huh? Very
dangerous to have taxmen inside.
No, I fully appreciate. That is I would say that when I said about finance people within company, that is one part of the story. The other part is that another, as I said, Mr. Sai, who is the commissioner here, has been quite some time working on IP and used to be my resource person. So that is the most weakest area even in law schools. About, we don't, no law school has a good tax law teacher. Now IP, some are coming. Because both these things have a huge market outside or civil service outside. So they don't come to academics because academic pay commission still is not matched with, many of the perks outside. Then that trend will change. That's a very crucial transactional issue, what he says, from a public policy point of view. And I'm sure that they are keenly watching all the developments positively, but at the same time, how much they can get. I've picked up two people, I remember, I'm going to come. I'm going to ask Anshita to, make a comment if she has.
I actually wanted to make a small comment on Dr. Sarkar's views about IP being a cost rather than a value, but it's also adding to what Mr. Sai just said. Basically, UK Intellectual Property Office, I think a couple of years ago, maybe 3 years ago, did a massive study on IP valuation. And they've come out with a report. It's quite extensive. It's freely available online on their website. If you probably Google IP valuation UK Intellectual Property Office, you'll get it. And that has some ways in which IP can be converted into pounds and pences or rupees and paisas. So maybe you can look that up.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm coming.